'Cause I'm TNT, I'm dynamite. TNT, and I'll win that fight. TNT, I'm a power load. TNT, watch me explode.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hot Dynamite here. Today I'm gonna be bringing you my 1,250 subscribers editing pack. On the background you might hear my little boy Rambo. He's walking around and stuff, but on this editing pack, which is gonna be my first one, you're gonna see some of my cinematics that I used for my previous edits, which I don't mind you guys using it, as long as you probably give me some credit on your videos, so you could probably just let me know when you use them, and that way I can see which way where was I able to help you on your future edits. I'm also going to include a MW3 sound pack, Black Ops 2 sound pack, and Ghost sound pack. Keep in mind that some of these sounds are grabbed from somebody else's editing packs, but I'm just gonna make it easier for you guys, and I'm gonna include it all in there with some overlays, black bars, and just a few other things that might be able to help you in your future edits. Just the simple basic stuff that I always use on all my edits. So hope you guys enjoy. Take it easy, leave me a comment, and if you make an edit with some of these stuff, link it below so I can check it out and give you some support, and maybe I can see some of the stuff that I could probably myself get inspired by you guys. Take care, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, this is Flo. Make sure you click the links below and watch more of Dynamite's videos. Thanks for watching.